In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable and create your first table. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. Simply open your web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. If you're already set up with an account, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password in the fields provided, and you'll be ready to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you have two choices at your fingertips: create a new base or open an existing one. If you're just getting started, I'd recommend creating a new base. This is perfect for when you're beginning a new project or just want a clean slate to work from. To do this, click on Add a Base, and you'll see a fresh grid open up before you. Now that you're inside your base, you might want to customize it a bit to suit your needs. Air bases come with default names like Untitled Base, but we can certainly do better than that. Just click on the existing name at the top of your screen and type in something more descriptive. This can help keep things organized, especially when you start juggling multiple bases. Now, let's add a column, which is referred to as adding a field in Airtable parlance. Look towards the top of your table, and you'll find the Add Field button sitting patiently for you. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you choose the field type. Airtable offers a plethora of options, ranging from single-line text to attachments and even checkboxes. Take a moment to consider what type of data this field will hold. This will guide your choice here. With your field type selected, it's time to give it a name. Naming your field accurately is crucial as it clarifies what data it represents. Click on the field name placeholder and type in a name that's meaningful and relevant. For instance, if you're entering people's names, just call it name. Once you've chosen your field type and given it a name, the final step is to click the Create Field button. This action will finalize the creation of your new column, and you'll see it appear instantly within your table. From here, you can start entering data straight away or even add another field if your table demands it. And voila, you've successfully added a column to your Airtable and created your first table. Remember, getting familiar with these foundational skills is key to mastering Airtable. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to practice these steps to enhance your productivity.